What's going on, brothers? Welcome back to Brotherhood Finance. I appreciate you joining back to this channel and coming back. Make sure you go down, smash the thumbs up button. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it as always. Today's video is going to be a great video. We're going to be talking about my next 10x stock. So this stock is similar to Planet 13, PLNHF. I've been very bullish on that stock recently. But before we dive into that, we dive into the presentation again. Thank you again for stopping by. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Brotherhood Finance and TikTok at Brotherhood Finance. As always, I appreciate all the love and support. All right, brothers, so let's dive into the presentation right now. As always, make sure you smash that thumbs up button down below. Smashing is very important. If you have any questions about the stock or the stock we're going to go into, make sure you leave a comment down below and we'll make sure to answer that question as soon as possible. But furthermore, let's dive into the presentation that we put together. All right, brothers, just to be clear before we dive into this video, this is a stock that I have 0% interest in selling. This stock is for a very long period of time, regardless of the price. If it goes up 400%, 600%, regardless, whatever goes up, and the ROI that I get, it is too young of a company. There's too much opportunity in this marketplace, in this capitalization of the marijuana industry, and it is just a great stock. So, the stock we're going to be talking about is G-Tech Holdings. This is a cannabis company in Canada. It's a very young company with great revenues, great growth, and great returns, and it's growing very rapidly and very massively. All right, so this is one of the CEOs, Norton. So he states, significant revenue growth of 267%, resulting in record revenues of $8.8 million, increased production by 296%, and substantial reduction of operating expenses by 40% or $2.7 million. Net income from operations of $287,000 compared to a net loss of $8.3 million year after year. So this is massive. This is massive growth. They have great growth ahead, and they have significantly cut their operating expenses, which are huge. All right, so just another key financial highlights of fiscal 2020. So during fiscal 2020, the company's core focus was established market share with the premium category. So this company focused on premium brands. It's much like Planet 13. I believe Planet 13 has great growth ahead. It's around a $1.2 billion market capitalization. This company, again, also has a great room to grow, and they're also focusing on, the pure and the premium brands for this industry that's going to be growing very rapidly, especially with legalization occurring very soon. So as a result, management believes it is well positioned to continue driving revenue growth and cost efficiencies going forward. Right here, like I said before, an increase of $6.4 million or 267% year over year for gross revenue, and recreational cannabis sales accounted for 79% of total sales compared to 4%. Cash cost of production was 1.96 per gram compared to 2.62, a decrease of 0.66 or 25%. So that's massive. All right, highlights of fiscal 2020. One of the CEOs received necessary approvals from the Health Canada for sales-related license amendments. As a result, all three of the company's licensed cultivation facilities are now authorized to sell recreational packaged cannabis. So again, they're getting the legalization. They're taking the right steps that are needed, and they've commenced sales in the province of Ontario. So this is in a established location. As Grant Cardone always says, location is key. Location, location, location. So they have the location, they have the premium brands, they have the good CEOs, and they have growth ahead. And they're an industry that has massive growth. All right, next one. So who is this CEO? So Norton is a very reputable CEO, and he has a lot of his own money on the line. So I like when I invest in these small market capitalization companies, because if they have their own, if they have their own blood in the game and they have their own skin in the game, they're going to care more about the company and they're going to want the company to grow more overall. Probably one of the next couple of videos we're going to dive into is the state of the market. And really right now, if you look at a lot of these markets and a lot of these companies are very overvalued, and you're going to find a lot of the best potential gain in these small market capitalization companies. A lot of the large cap companies right now in the stock market are very overvalued. Their PE ratios are outrageous. And just the stock market overall is overpriced, and it is priced into perfection. So when you buy small market capitalization companies like this is where you're going to get the best dime in your best buck. So overall, that is the CEO. He has his own money in the game. All right, so what kind of brands does this company have? I keep saying they have premium brands, but let's take a look at it. G-Tech Cannabis Co. is an independently owned and operated producer based, and we are dedicated to cultivating ultra premium cannabis and purpose-built indoor facilities. So, and then again, it's bringing it to the market. So, it is one of the best craft flours on the market. So again, this is some premium brands. So they're premium focus. It's not their average producer. They have a similar focus, cultivating, marketing, distributing premium cannabis. Our focus is on quality and proven cultivation practices, and our leadership, unique experience differences, G-Tech from the pack. So again, this is some premium and superior cultivation branding, and they have the good leadership, and they're making rapid sales, growing very rapidly, and this industry is just at the beginning. So if they can continue to manufacture, produce, grow, expand, and widen their brand overall, this company is going to have great revenues and great growth ahead. Next part I want to dive in. Like I was saying, the majority of their harvests are testing above 20% THC, with several in the 26 to 29% range. Some of the higher THC content in the sector. So this is massive. The quality is high end, like I was saying, and they have those unique characteristics on their products. Optimal moisture levels, complex and pungent terpene, so their terpenes are nice. High levels of key cannabinoids, and smooth and clean burning. So again, this is a great premium product, and it's a high-end product that the market is going to love moving forward, especially with this growing industry. So along with the product, you can have the product, you can have the management, you can have the core team, and you can have the growth, but what is the overall packaging of the company? Packaging is very important. So again, they have the premium glass jars, and then down below right here, you'll see they have some of their other packaging and some of their products for their shelves. So that's very well put together, and I really like what I'm seeing with this company. All right, so what is my overall outlook on this company, on G-Tech Holdings? They have massive growth through 2025, and again, especially in Canada and the United States yet alone. Wait till legalization occurs. Legalization is right around the corner for the marijuana industry, and I'm very excited. So again, I see this company doing anywhere from $50 to $150 million in revenue by 2025. This stock price is only going to further increase the more capital they raise, the more legalization occurs. They're going to get more cash on hand, they're debt-free, and they're going to have more expansion moving forward. So again, my overall, so the high-end focus, they have high-end margins, ultra profitability, and they're going to have a good net income anywhere from probably 10 to 40 million by 2025. And the market capitalization for this company, I see anywhere between 200 mil to $1 billion by 2025. Where is it trading at right now? $93 million right now as the market capitalization. Ticker symbol GGTTF. Again, GGTTF. G-Tech Holdings. I just recently started picking up this stock around the 50-cent range. I've been buying it even more and more. Any of those dips that occur, you want to buy. But again, I recommend you be picking up this stock. This is the stock that I've been buying recently. And overall, that is the video for today. So if you have any questions, concerns, comments about this stock, this is the stock that I'm currently buying right now. So where is it currently trading right now? Currently, they are trading at 72 cents a share, and they're forecasted anywhere to be up from, a 253% gain in a 5-year investment. So this stock is growing very rapidly. Again, brothers, I appreciate you all stopping by Brotherhood Finance. Please leave a like, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button. Smashing is very important. I appreciate it as always. Peace, brothers.